Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Suvansh, and first thing first, I really want to thank you guys for the overwhelming response that you have shown on the channel. So when I get those DMs, when I see people commenting about which pair they should buy and whatnot, I feel so thankful. So if you also have some doubts or something, feel free to comment down. I'll be really happy to help you. So moving ahead, today we have something really ultimate, and when I say ultimate, I actually mean ultimate. Today we have the ultimate box pack from Crep, and I think I'm the first Indian YouTuber to actually unbox this box. So without any further delay, let's just unbox this. Okay. So सबसे पहले तो let's just remove this up. I feel आपको reflection आ रहा होगा. Okay. So the first impression about this product is that it feels really premium. I think it's common with all the Crep products कि इनकी packaging बहुत premium होती है. So on the back side you can see all the contents in this box. We'll be also talking about the pricing, but towards the end of the video. So without any further delay, let's just open it now. To be really honest, I'm very excited. Okay, so let's open this. What is this? Okay. So this is basically the ultimate cleaning solution. I've heard a lot about this, and I am gonna make a specific video also cleaning my dirty pair. Let's keep this aside and let's see what else we have. So we have this brush. Okay, feels really premium, honestly. Yeah, it's good, honestly. I think it can be used for cleaning the dust as well, but it's a hair fall or I don't know why. So moving ahead, let's just keep it aside and let's close this window, and now let's move towards the other one. So now moving towards the second compartment. Arey, khul ja. Arey. Okay. So we have this rubber inside it, guys. This is one of the best and one of the kind, I tell you. So it exactly works like this pencil and rubber that we use. Any mark on the pair of your sneaker, just rub it off without water, without anything. It is very hard. I was expecting it to be bigger, and it's quite heavy. I don't know why it is so heavy. Keeping it aside, now we have this cloth. Okay. Oh, I think this might be, once you have just washed your pair, you can use this for wiping it up. It's so soft. It's even softer than my pillow, honestly. Okay. So moving towards the third cabinet, let's open this up. Okay, we have wipes in these. These wipes are really special one. I'll tell you, मतलब मैंने research किया हुआ है पहले इस order करने से पहले. Firstly, we get 6 wipes in this, and secondly, these wipes are really special. So these wipes have two sides. One of the side has these dot kind of a things, which helps to scrub the pair, and the other side is the smooth one. So you decide based on how dirty your pair is. These are really effective, but do not reuse these wipes. It can create a problem. I think now it's the fourth cabinet and the best cabinet. I was most excited about these. So these are basically pills, and these are not the regular pills. You see, these are quite big in size. So these pills basically remove those smells from your pair and bring freshness to it. I think this is really useful in rainy seasons and stuff. So what you need to do is you just need to twist it up, which basically activates it, and you can just put it inside your so-called pair, any of these. So these are basically KDs, so just put them inside, and in couple of hours the smell will be gone. These, I don't know how effective they are, but we'll try it out and see. So guys, this is how it is. So now moving towards the pricing. So I have actually bought it from Amazon, and I have paid, how much I have paid, yeah? So I have paid 5,749 rupees for this. That comes out to be nearly 6,000 rupees. So if you see the price of this ultimate box in US, then it is just $40. That comes out to be nearly 3,500 rupees. So we have actually paid, in India we have actually paid double the price in US. So if you ask me, is it good? Then definitely it's good. So, but if you ask me, is it worth it? It's not at all worth it. So if I should just put it in simple lines, then if you think you can put 6,000 rupees in an accessory kind of a thing, then go for it. But if you think you cannot, then trust me, you are not missing out on something really crazy. So I think this video would have given you a different perspective and some kind of knowledge about this. So thanks for watching, guys. And I am not ashamed to say that I have again wasted my money. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Let's go.